How to interactive traffic lights example with Arduino. Hello, welcome to one more video of Rato ADCC. In this video, we are going to learn how to interactive traffic lights example with Arduino. Note, we have Arduino IDE opened. First of all, the car traffic light starts on green and the pedestrian light is on red. When you press the button, the program checks that at least 5 seconds have gone by since the last time the lights were changed. Then the car lights go from green to yellow, then red, then the pedestrian lights go green. The green pedestrian light will flash on and off as a warning to the pedestrians to get a hurry on as the lights are about to change back to red. Then the pedestrian light change back to red and the vehicle light go from red to yellow to green and the traffic can resume. We define integer variables. We define the cross time variable as 5 seconds. The path green light will be on for 5 seconds. We define change time 4 times since the button is pressed. We define output global variables. We turn on path red and car green lights. If the button has been pressed, state will be high as we have already set it to be the value written from digital pin 2. We are also checking that the value of millis a mile change time is greater than 5000 milliseconds. Note, the millis function returned the number of milliseconds since the Arduino started to run the current program. Note, change time variable will initially hold no value, but after the change light function has run, we set it at the end of that function to current millis value. Note, if statement is true, function change light is called. We turn on off the lights in order we want. Note, this for statement provides the green pedestrian light will flash on and off as a warning to the pedestrians to get a hurry. We turn on off the lights in the order we want. Required equipments: Arduino Uno, 2 PCS red LED, 2 PCS green LED, yellow red, 6 PCS 220 ohm resistor and button. We hope you found this video useful. For more videos about Arduino and other programs, check out channel. Thanks for watching.